Coal tar repairs can last for years when applied correctly and maintained, but their durability decreases in extreme heat, prolonged rain, and frequent freeze and thaw cycles. Cold tar, also called cold patch asphalt, is a polymer-modified blend designed to remain pliable at normal outdoor temperatures and adhere to existing pavement without heating. For best performance in rainy climates or where temperatures swing widely, prepare the area by removing loose debris, drying the hole or crack as much as possible, and cutting back ragged edges to create a stable vertical face. Compact the material in layers using a heavy tamper or by driving over it with a vehicle several times, aiming for uniform density and eliminating voids where water can collect. Apply slightly above the surrounding surface to allow for settling and to maintain drainage away from the patch. Do not feather the edges thinly because thin edges are the first to fail. Schedule the application during a forecasted dry window and when ambient temperatures are within the manufacturer recommended range, typically above 40 degrees Fahrenheit, but written out as 40 degrees Fahrenheit for consistency with labeling. If temperatures are very low, store the material at room temperature before use so it remains workable. After curing for the recommended period, usually a few days, wash out accumulated debris and inspect quarterly for softening, depression, or edge breakdown and reapply or seal coat if needed. Common problems include lack of adhesion from poor surface preparation, which permits water to migrate under the patch and accelerate failure. Fix this by chiseling out to sound pavement, drying the area, and using a cold tar product suited for damp surfaces or an adhesive primer if the product instructions allow. Another issue is rutting or softening in extreme heat when the binder becomes pliable under vehicle load. Reduce this risk by placing and compacting the patch thicker, avoiding thin feathered edges, and using a polymer-modified cold mix formulated for higher temperature stability. The third frequent concern is freeze and thaw damage, where standing water freezes and expands in voids. Address this by ensuring proper compaction, providing a slight crown for drainage, and performing regular inspections after winter to top up any settled material. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare reviews, while letting contractors list their services to connect with prospective clients. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share real-world experiences, practical tips, and product recommendations related to cold tar repairs and climate-specific maintenance.